Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Skrill. Transferring money via Skrill allows you to send funds internationally, pay someone, or move money to a bank account. Before beginning, make sure that your Skrill account is fully verified and you have sufficient balance or funding source and you know the recipient's details. Once you've made sure of that, make sure to open up the Skrill app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the transfer button from the top of the screen. From the transfer option, click on the send to yourself option or Skrill to Skrill option from the top. I'm gonna click on Skrill to Skrill. If you want to send money to anyone on Skrill, then you can click on Skrill to Skrill option. But if they don't have a Skrill account yet, then Skrill will send them a link to register and get the money. So click on Skrill to Skrill for now and select a contact you want to send the fund to. After selecting the contact, follow through the on-screen instructions. You may need to enter the amount you wish to transfer, select currency if available, and then Skrill will show you the fee and the exchange rate if you are converting from your wallet currency. Follow through the instruction and confirm the process, and you'll then be able to transfer funds from Skrill to Skrill. When it comes to transferring money on Skrill, you can also send the money internationally by choosing the international money transfer option. Then you can go ahead and evaluate your fund. Select if you would like to pay with debit or credit card, and finally click on the continue button to send them the fund. So that's how you will be able to transfer money from Skrill. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.